Is your Vizio TV showing vertical lines on the screen? Don't panic. This is usually fixable, and I'll walk you through the fastest advanced solutions right now. Welcome back to Tech Vibes, your go-to place for quick and practical tech fixes. Vertical lines on a Vizio TV usually mean a signal issue, loose internal connection, or a panel-related fault. Sometimes it's software, sometimes it's hardware. The good news is you can isolate and fix it step by step. Step 1. Power cycle your TV properly. Turn it off, unplug it from the wall. Hold the power button on the TV itself for 15 seconds. Wait 1 full minute, then plug it back in and turn it on. Step 2. Check all input cables. Disconnect HDMI or any connected device. Turn the TV on with no input. If the lines disappear, your cable or device is the problem. Step 3. Switch HDMI ports. Plug your device into a different HDMI port. Faulty ports can create vertical line artifacts. Step 4. Test with another device. Connect a different laptop or console. If the lines stay, the issue is inside the TV. Step 5. Perform a factory reset. Go to System Settings and reset the TV. This clears software glitches that sometimes cause display issues. Step 6. Check for pressure damage. Gently inspect the screen. If you see darker spots near the lines, the panel may be physically damaged. Step 7. Tap test carefully. Lightly tap the back of the TV near where the lines appear. If the lines flicker or change, it's likely a loose ribbon cable inside. Step 8. Open the back panel. Unplug the TV first. Remove the screws and carefully open the back. Locate the flat ribbon cables connecting the display panel. Step 9. Reseat the ribbon cables. Gently disconnect and reconnect each ribbon cable. Make sure they are clean and firmly attached. This fixes many vertical line issues. Step 10. Inspect the T-Con board. This is the timing control board. Look for any burnt spots or loose connections. If damaged, replacing this board is often cheaper than replacing the whole TV. Here's a pro tip. Use a piece of soft foam or tape to apply slight pressure on the ribbon cable connection before closing the back panel. This can stabilize a weak connection and permanently remove the lines. If after all this the lines are still there, the panel itself may be failing, and that's usually not worth repairing. If you try these steps and get stuck anywhere, drop a comment below. I personally reply within 1 hour to help you out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Vibes for more fast and reliable tech fixes. You've got this. Fix it, save money, and keep your TV running like new.